Understanding what's under the hood of your investments is key. And if you've looked at Spaceship's portfolios, you've likely noticed a common thread: technology. But how exactly does that tech focus translate into the real-world weight of their investments? Spaceship's entire investment philosophy, dubbed "Where the World is Going," is fundamentally tied to forward-thinking, often technology-driven companies. This isn't just a slight tilt, it's a deliberate, heavy allocation. Let's look at the breakdown. The Spaceship Universe portfolio is the flagship for this strategy. Its holdings are actively selected, and they lean heavily into sectors like information technology, communication services, which includes big tech like Google and Meta, and high-growth consumer discretionary names. The result is a portfolio that has historically maintained a significant concentration in tech. While exact percentages fluctuate, major global tech leaders like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia are often top holdings, giving it a much greater exposure to the tech sector than a typical diversified global index fund. This high-growth focus means the portfolio's performance can track very closely with the fortunes of the tech market, often outperforming when tech booms, but also experiencing deeper dips when the sector struggles. It's a high-conviction strategy. By choosing to invest heavily in companies they believe are shaping the future, Spaceship is making a clear bet. For the investor, this means you're not just buying the market, you're buying into a specific, tech-heavy growth thesis. If you're invested in Spaceship, you need to understand this core concentration. It means less diversification into traditional sectors like banking, resources, or established industrials. This isn't a flaw, but a feature. It's how the portfolio is designed to work, pursuing higher growth potential in exchange for higher volatility. Ultimately, Spaceship portfolios are, by design, very tech-heavy. They're built for the long-term investor who believes the future of global growth is firmly rooted in technology and disruption. Keep that long-term view in mind, because with high concentration comes the high potential for both swings.